Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1990 Corvette ZR1. Got Saverio here, and tell us a little bit about it. How you doing, Saverio?
How you doing, Mike?
Good. Man, what a car.
Oh, she's a beauty.
A little bit of a collaboration between Chevy and Lotus back in the day.
Yeah, and actually Mercury Marine built
that
Marine,
motor. Right?
Yeah.
Wow. So tell us about it.
So she's 90. It's got 91,000 miles. It's pampered miles. It's in excellent condition. The only modifications that it has a one-piece aluminum Fidanza flywheel.
Cool.
And it has headers and aftermarket exhaust.
Oh, it makes it sound real nice.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
Sounds
Everyone's good.
And that flywheel really keeps the revs up.
Keeps the revs up.
7,000 RPM.
It'll run at 7,000.
Yeah.
Not that I don't try like that, but it'll go. It runs really well.
These were a lot of horse back in the day. 375 horsepower was a lot.
These were the fastest production cars of that time.
Right, and they brought over a little 100 grand.
They were fetching between 110 and 120,000 back in 1990.
And the option was ridiculous, like 20-something thousand, right, for the option?
The $27,000 for the ZR1 option.
Wow. This exhaust sounds nice. It's that all aluminum V8, 32 valves, right?
Double overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder.
Yeah.
It's
really feet for the day.
No, it was quite ahead of its time.
It really was. Love the wheels too. Those are BBS? 3 BBS? Yeah. Are they BBS? Kind of look like it.
Actually, not 100% positive of
look
the
like
brand,
it.
but
wrapped in brand new rubber too, huh?
Brand new tires, 2 months old.
Man, you got a steamroller on the back there. Believe it or not, that's standard equipment.
That's the way they came.
315
in the back and 275s in the front.
Wow. It's got a nice look. Lowered a little too, right?
It's lowered a touch to give it a really nice looking stance. It handles real well.
I bet, man. These are such fun cars. I think this is the nicest C4 out, period. And you can have it in a manual transmission or a manual transmission.
Yeah, manual only, 6 speed.
Yeah. Pretty loaded too. I mean, everything. Trip computer, fog lights, you know, power windows, power locks, multifunctional power seat. It's got a Targa top too that's removable. It takes a special hex key he has. Tilt wheel, custom stereo, 91,000.
Have the stock unit as well.
220 miles. He does have original stereo too. Magna ride, adjustable suspension. There it is. Did some recent work to it too, right?
Yes, I did. I did a complete service. We changed 16 injectors.
Yep.
All new coil packs, wires, plugs, PCBs, which there are 2 of them, very unique to this motor. A lot of vacuum lines were all replaced.
Yep. Bypass system too, you did.
Yes.
Is important.
That's bypass system, and it just runs really well.
Brand new battery.
Brand new battery.
Looks like the wires are new too.
Yep, they were replaced with more performance wires.
Yeah, competition wire. Man, love this car, man. I kind of like the miles, to be honest, because it's been driven. Most people just sit, have these cars sit around, and to know that it's got some miles on it,
and
it's not going to be $1 million.
And it's the bang for the buck.
It's a huge bang for the buck.
Bang for the buck, because it runs as good as the one that has 7,000 miles
Right.
on it as well.
You could buy
It's
this
not
thing
better
for
because-
what, in the 20s? Low
Oh,
20s?
yeah, this is low 20s, and the other ones are 40, 45,000.
Yeah.
Same car.
I don't know if I would even want one that's 7,000
Me
miles.
neither. You wouldn't drive
I
it.
can't drive it.
This is the driving
It's a
car.
driver.
It's funny, as you hear it, the noise that you hear is this one-piece Fidanza aluminum flywheel.
Yeah.
You could verify that information with Mark Haybeck.
Oh, Mark
And
Haybeck.
Mark Haybeck is the
He is
guru
the
of
guru.
ZR1.
Yep, no one better.
And
he knows everything about it.
because you say to yourself, what's that noise? And that is the Fidanza one-piece flywheel.
Yeah, it's
I
got
have
a
the
killer
factory two-piece flywheel.
sound. Oh, you have the factory.
I have the
You have the
factory
factory radio, you have the factory
Factory
exhaust.
and the factory exhaust. Yes, I do.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah, what a bang for the buck, though.
No, it's a blast to drive. When you're driving it, you don't want to get out of it. It hugs the road, it handles tight, and it's pretty quick.
Yeah, you can't beat it. Can we take it for a quick ride down the runway?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go. LT5, baby. See, it says full power here. So you can adjust
That's the
power.
key. Yep.
Oh, so you got normal
And full.
and full.
There's no sense sticking it on normal.
Who's gonna drive this thing in normal?
Nobody.
What? I guess it's good to give to the valet or something.
It's just.
Kind of cool though.
You never take
Very
it.
gimmicky GM
Which
thing.
way would you like to go?
Let's go
Mike?
that way. So right through the birds.
Those must be the popping clover.
Man, this thing sounds so good. Cool.
That's weird.
Man, it sounds delicious. You gotta love that cluster too.
No, it's
Isn't
a
that
pretty.
so 90s?
Yeah, no, and it's all working. Every gauge works. It all really works well. It shifts smooth as butter. It really drives
It
well.
really is sick. Love it. Sounds like a dream, this thing. But you get on touring right now.
Yeah,
Nice and comfortable.
nice and comfy, and yeah, when you turn it, it definitely tightens up the suspension. It, okay.
Man, this thing sounds good. It's that old aluminum V8, I guess.
Do you want me to head down straight or down?
Man, that sounds so good. Jeez. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call. This car's not going to stick around too long. It's right in that sweet spot of the budget. At 631-339-0399. And you can take a look at our website too. I think it took about 150 photos today. Thanks a lot.